What if we wanted to make a target molecule like this? We could call this a vinyl ketone. It's an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl, and it has a 2-carbon unit here attached to the carbonyl. So to make that target molecule, we might think that we could use an aldol condensation using formaldehyde as the electrophile. But sometimes a reaction that looks good on paper doesn't work in the lab, and that's the case with this reaction. So alternative methods have been developed for synthesizing vinyl ketones. Shown here is the Mannich reaction, where an iminium ion is used as a synthetic equivalent for formaldehyde. So let's take a look at how this reaction works. We're going to mix in these 3 components to make our target molecule. We're going to combine a ketone with formaldehyde and dimethylamine. And the first reaction that's going to take place is the formaldehyde, our very good electrophile, is going to react with the dimethylamine, which is a very good nucleophile, and it's going to replace the CO double bond with a CN double bond and make this iminium ion. This is now a very good electrophile that's made in situ, and we have only one component here that's enolizable, that has, in other words, that has alpha protons. And so the ketone is going to serve, the enol of the ketone is going to serve as our nucleophile, and the iminium ion is going to serve as our electrophile. And so we can have an aldol-like reaction taking place here, but instead of making an alpha beta hydroxy ketone, we make a beta amino ketone as a result, which is known as a Mannich base. And a Mannich base can be converted into a vinyl ketone in a 2-step process. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to treat this Mannich base with methyl iodide. That's going to serve to alkylate the amine. Amines are very good nucleophiles. Methyl iodide is an excellent electrophile. So we could make the ammonium group here, which is an excellent leaving group. So if we now treat this with a base as our second step, our base can come in and deprotonate the alpha carbon, kick out the beta leaving group, and make the alpha beta unsaturated ketone, in this case a vinyl ketone. So this 1-carbon component came from formaldehyde, but we used the amine to make the iminium ion as a way of getting a higher yielding reaction.